Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Trade Journal tool. The Trade Journal feature allows the user to assign a category to a trade along with a comment. For this demonstration, we will assign a category and comment to a completed trade. The trade is shown here and took place on the $yen 4-hour time frame. To access the Trade Journal feature, click the trade entry on the grid and select Journal. The Trade Journal window consists of the following: the trade ticket number, the name of the broker along with the time the trade finished, the user-defined trade categories, the market and time frame the trade was taken on, the trade profit and R value, the trade bank, trade size and trade risk in the deposit currency, and finally the trade comment field. The category Breakout Pullback Pending Order will be assigned along with a comment. Select Update to apply the changes and confirm. To view the trade category and comment, select Category from the drop-down list of grid columns. This will automatically move the grid to show this information. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.